my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video I am gonna be showing you how to make onion juice to increase your sex. You understand that? Alright, so this is just gonna help you so much in that aspect. Okay, so if you want to know what comprises of my ingredients, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be the first person to be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any personal curiosity or beauty questions you want to ask me, please ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there, and in my website I have tons of ingredients that I use on my channel. You can check that out and purchase them. It is open, the link at my comment section. Also, don't forget to check out my vlog channel. There are tons of videos there, like lifestyle reviews and all of that. I'm sure you're gonna be loving that channel too. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video. The first ingredient, onion. Raw onion is known to lower the production of LDL, bad cholesterol, and keep your heart healthy. The vitamin C, which remains intact while they are in the raw form, along with the phytochemicals present in onions, help build immunity, and it also helps for a strong erection and lasting longer. So for the onion, you're gonna first of all prepare the onion by removing the peel of the onion. But in most cases, if you want, you can also use the peel, but you have to wash it very well. But here I'm not going to be using the peel because I still have much of the onion. Okay, so I don't need to manage it. So after you prepare this, you're gonna go wash it. So I just finished washing the onion, and I'm gonna be cutting it into pieces. Now I'm going to be transferring the onion into a blender. And the next ingredient, we're going to be needing garlic. Garlic helps prevent common brain disease. Garlic contains antioxidants that protect against cell damage and aging, and it also helps to trigger the blood circulation. It helps pump blood into the genital organ, and it also helps to leave you last long. We're going to be preparing the garlic. Now we're going to be peeling the garlic. Now I'm gonna go wash this and I'll be right back. So I just finished washing the garlic. Now I'm going to be transferring it into the blender. The next ingredients, lemon. Drinking warm lemon are excellent and rich source of vitamin C, and it protects the body against immune system deficiency. Lemon contains pectin fiber, which is very beneficial for colon health and also serve as a powerful antibacterial, and it also helps to leave your mood very active. Next, we're going to prepare the lemon. Now if you have orange, you can replace it in you can use that in place of lemon. Okay, so I needed to use orange. Of course the orange is not reachable right now. Now what you do is to squeeze the orange, a medium size of lemon, into the blender. Now you're going to be adding warm water into this. All right, so I just finished boiling this and I'm adding it into the blender. Then I'm gonna go blend this and I'll be right back. So I just finished blending the onion and garlic juice. Now this is how it is. Okay, now we're gonna be sieving this out because you can't drink this with the shafts. Alright, so I'm gonna be using my strainer and sieving it out into this cup. This sometimes can take a little while to do that, alright, but you have to be patient, and then you have to look for a spoon that will support the straining process if you're doing it this way. Alright, so I'm putting another one to strain. And the last one, because we need all the juice. So here is our onion juice, and this is very, very perfect. So here is my drink. It's pink. The color is beautiful. Like I take raw onions a lot, okay? So taking this is perfect, and this is just going to be helpful to you if you're a man, and it's just like taking a drink that will give you strength and also increases your libido if you're a woman, and it will increase your erectile function if you're a guy. So this really tastes great. Really, really nice. I love it. Like, I'm going to be drinking this a lot. I mean, like, it's really nice. So if you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my videos. If you have personal curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section, and also on my website I have tons of ingredients there. If you want to purchase some natural ingredients, you can see them on my website. The link at my comment section. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.